Welcome back to JJ Central's DIY channel. Today we're going to be seeing how to change a tail light, brake light and signal bulb on a Kia Sedona 2015 to 2020 model. As you can see, the brake light is not on. Also see the signal is not working. First thing we need to do is take this plastic off, and there's two little holes here. If you see, stick a screwdriver in there or a pick and basically knock that loose. Once you get that, the whole thing will be easier to come off. Those are these two little tabs, like you can see right here and here, taken off. And then now you have just two screws there. The regular screwdriver, 10mm socket. It's really short. Okay, once you do that, there'll be a little catch on this side to put some pressure from this side and push it. In this case, it came loose. Looks like it's been taken off before. But yeah, just this one little thing needs to be pushed in here, and that, I believe that's the one that went out. Yep, see how it's dark? So that definitely is the one. Brakes are on, as you can see, and the bulb is not coming on. Okay, if you notice, the signal is on the bottom, and that is also not coming on. So both the bulbs are out. So we need to replace both of them. Okay, as you can kind of see, there's moisture inside. When I talk about moisture, not just some moisture, look here. That is a lot of water. So definitely the housing itself has failed. These seals seems fine, but somehow water is getting in, which is a really bad sign. I'll try to find it. If not, changing this housing is the right way. For now, I'll just show how to change the bulb temporarily, and then we'll change the housing totally. For both the bulbs, just push in, twist, and pull out. That's it. You can hold the used bulb, but when it comes to new bulb, do not hold the glass, because your oil will eventually burn out the bulb. Oil from the hands or grease from the hands. But in this case, there's plenty of moisture in there anyway, so it is going to burn out. Yet I'm going to change it for one trip, and then we'll replace the whole housing. Okay, I'm using a 2357 bulb that has two filaments, and the transparent one, not the amber one. And new bulb, holding it without touching the glass. And we can do the same, install it the exact same way. Press it in and twist it. That should be good. And I'll do the same on the other one. Worst part is if water gets into this electrical connection, then it will corrode it and make it, the harness, not usable. Hopefully we don't have that scenario. Like I said, I'm pressing it down and turning it to catch. Okay, they both are good. The important step now is to actually test it before you put it back in. So let's go step on the brakes again. Okay, so hazard lights are working, brake lights are working, and tail light is also working. So that's good to go. We can, that one is blinking, which basically means something else is, okay, now it's fine. It figured it out, I guess. All right. You basically put them in and twist. So the wiring harness won't let you put them on different holes. It's short, so make sure it is sealed properly. Turn till it goes in. There. And you turn right to lock. You have, it says right here, right to lock. Make sure it's nice and sealed. We'll put a dab of silicone on the top just so the moisture doesn't get in. Okay, so that's in, that's in, that's in. You just have to put the screws back in now. It looks like the rubber bushing is somehow letting air in and moisture is getting condensed. So just put a bead of silicone around and sealed it. We'll see if that makes any difference. Just did that on both the bulbs, and I don't see any cracks. Usually you would see cracks happening here, or actually in the face right here. But everything looks good on the housing. Before we change the housing, just putting some silicone on possible areas where air could get in. Okay, now these two pins have to go into these two holes. Make sure the wiring harness is tucked under, and you line them up. You can see from the top a little bit here, and yep, they're in. And this wiring harnesses should be pushed in. And all we're doing now is, so in here, I need to make a push to get this in properly. So all I'm doing is this pressure. There. So till it properly mates, push it there. And now we have to install these two screws. Hand start them, so you don't strip the threads. And then use a screwdriver. Okay, and then use a screwdriver to snug. Don't overdo the plastic. That's it, and we put the plastic cover back on. So it's all tabs, as you can see, 1, 2, and these little tabs on this side. It's just a matter of snapping. You have to hear all the snaps. Everything is done. You test one more time whether the light is working or not. Let's do that now. Okay, those are the brake lights coming on, and flashes working, and marker light is also working on the side. And that is how you would do a bulb change on a Kia Sedona from 2015 to 2019, I believe, or in that range. So hopefully video was helpful. I hope you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.